Okay, hi, I'm Bob Christopher with Christie Digital, and today we have several things on display. First of all, we have two brand new projectors. The bottom one that's on display on the screen right now is a new QSeries platform that's available in 4 different resolutions. It's available in 2 different colors, and it's available in 2 different brightness levels, a 10,000 lumen projector and an 8,000 lumen. What we're showing today is the 10,000 lumen version, and if you notice, there's no parallel between the projector and the screen or centering of the projector on the screen. We have a full warp capability built into it, so we can fit into many very challenging situations or blend a projection map onto an unusual surface. The one on the top is our brand new GS projector. This is our lampless projector, laser phosphor technology, 20,000 hours with 0 scheduled maintenance. This projector is roughly 6,000 lumens and has a very handsome industrial design. Also in the booth today is Christie's new 65-inch touch panel LCD. Christie's not really known for LCD panels, but that part of our product line is growing every day. This is just one of them. It's a very handsome industrial design, touchscreen, 65 inches. It fits perfectly with our new Brio bring your own device sharing system. So the Brio, this box down here, allows you to bring your own device and share it to the screen without having to go through any prior preparation. I have it connected to 2 screens. I have it connected to the 65-inch touch panel, and I have it connected to this small 20-inch LCD as well. If I have an iOS device, I simply scroll up from the bottom to get the connection page where AirPlay will show up, and from AirPlay I will select the Brio, and I get mirroring of my device up on the screen. So were I to rotate the screen, it rotates up on the screen. Full mirroring, 100% of the applications. That includes the stuff that you may not want people to see, as well as the stuff you want people to see is going to be up on the screen. So any iOS device can connect. That means Macs, iPhones, iPads, Android devices. So I have an Android device. Anything that runs their new operating system 5.0 and higher. We found that the early Android operating systems were just the wild, wild west, and 5.0 brought consistency to the market. So now I'll connect, because it's the second device to connect it, Windows onto the second screen. I also have a PC, and with a PC I'll use network projector, and you can watch on the screen or up on the projected screen. I'll go to the Start menu, and I'll choose Connect to a Network Projector, search for a projector. The Brio shows up, and I'll connect. And then in a moment, my PC shows up over there on the monitor, because it's the second device to be connected, or the third device, then it starts to window. So I can connect up to 5 simultaneous devices from any platform, a PC, an iOS, or an Android platform. Once they're connected, if you can follow me over here, and I have a touch screen, I can actually swipe to move from source to source on the screen. And I have a small application that I can launch from the corner that allows me to manage what's being shown on the screen, and also allows me to toggle between annotating on a live source or not. So in this case, I have a live source up here, and if I wanted to annotate, it changed very fast, but if I wanted to make a note on it, I could do that. I can go back to my menu, take a snapshot of that, and then as it continues along, I'm just going to clear what's on here. As it continues along through our presentation, we decide we want to come back to it. We're going to open up that file, and I'm going to go to my file browser here, and I'm going to look for the file that I just saved, and there it is. I'm going to open it back up again, and now I can choose a different color, and we can go and talk more about this. But I can also log in from any device that has a web browser. So as we walk back over here, I'm going to go to one of my iPads and launch a web browser. Oh, it has the wrong IP address. And what it does is it opens up basically a wall mimic of what's going on my Brio. It shows me that I have 3 devices connected. If I wanted to, I can actually manage it from this page. But also, as I scroll down, it gives me an opportunity to join the whiteboard session. So now that I joined the whiteboard session, I'm seeing the same thing that the rest of the audience is seeing, and I want to add my 2 cents, and I'm going to choose blue to add my 2 cents, and I'm going to say we have a Quick Connect app, and if you notice it shows up there and down here. Both of us now can save a snapshot of this collaboration session. So if we're working on PowerPoint, if we're working on a floor plan, an architectural document, some plans for the future, we have a nice collaborative environment. We don't have to leave our seats to join in. So that's Brio. We have several different models. We have models that have a built-in wireless access point. We have models that can log in to your local network. And we also have models that can be part of a more sophisticated part of your network to allow multi-site conferencing from city to city or state to state or country to country. And that's what I have here today.